Hi there, go ahead and get your journal out. If you already have it out, go ahead and flip to our research pages. You should, if you're at home, you should have it folded like this, or if you're at school, you have a paper clip. Okay, give you a moment to do that. Make sure you have a pencil as well. I have a marker just so it's a little bit darker and you can see it a little easier. All right, if you need more time to prepare yourself, go ahead and pause the video, but we're going to begin. So, we've done appearance. We've already wrote in our journal the appearance. We've done diet. We've done habitat. Today we are going to focus on family. So we need to go to page what? Page 5. So page 1. Page 2 is appearance. Page 3 is diet. Page 3 is diet. And then page 4 is habitat. Now page 5 is going to be family. Go ahead and write along with me as, all right, family. Give you a moment to write that. All right, so the sentence I would like to write is, baby elephants are called calves. So, baby elephants are called calves. What are baby elephants called? Calves. I'll give you some time to go ahead and copy this. All right, if you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. All right, so what I'd like to do now is draw a picture of family. Baby elephant and a mom elephant. Go ahead and copy me. Okay. And you can always go back over this later with crayon. Okay. Big floppy ears. Mama elephant, baby elephant. the little trunk on the elephant smaller because it's baby. Tusk. Tiny tusk. Okay, mama elephant, baby elephant, okay? So let's read our sentence again. Baby elephants are called calves. This is for family. Now, I know you're probably thinking, well, Miss Magoni, we actually read a story today and we learned a little bit more about family. We learned about herds, right? Well, I would like for you to hold on to that thought because we did learn a little bit more about elephant families. But for your activity today, you are going to write one more sentence over family. I'm going to read that page from earlier in the book for our activity, and you are going to have the chance to write down that sentence to show your teacher what else you learned about elephant families. So I hope you enjoyed learning about elephants today, and I hope you enjoyed learning about elephant families, and don't forget to take a picture and upload your work.